let's understand LPP or linear programming problem with a very simple example. A furniture dealer deals in only two items, tables and chairs. He has 50,000 denomination to invest and has storage space of at most 60 pieces. A table cost 2500 and a chair cost 500. He estimates that from the sale of one table he can make a profit of 250 and that from the sale of one chair a profit of 75. He wants to know how many tables and chairs he should buy from the available money that he have so as to maximize his total profit. We are assuming that he can sell all the items which he buys. These type of problems which seek to maximize profit or minimize cost form a general class of problems called optimization problems. Thus, an optimization problem may involve finding maximum profit, minimum cost or minimum uses of resources. A special but very important class of optimization problems is linear programming problem or in short LPP. This optimization problem is an example of LPP. We will understand the mathematical formulation of linear programming problems in the next lecture using this very example.